Yeah, I would highly recommend this workshop because what you've studied again, you're coming again, putting into practice under supervision. That's wonderfully, and because supervision, because you can always clarify your doubts. You can always ask in life, because when you do online, it is more of discussions. Of course, there are answers. Of course, there is happening, but then that's online. But here you have a person to help you all throughout. That's what we've been doing, and that's why I believe I'm going to do it afternoon. And this is a chance like nowhere in the world you will get these chances where you get to see all the manufacturers in one place. That's a competitive point of view on a professional front. It cannot happen that you are getting to see all different manufacturers and using their softwares, learning their softwares. That's being true audiologist. Because when in practice you choose a company, like say for example we are doing the cochlear implant workshop, right? You're not gonna deal with all three. You have to stick to one unless you are in a hospital based where you might work more than one. Still you need, but this is an opportunity to learn all the softwares, get to know the products, get to know how they function in terms of their technicalities and softwares, which really makes sense. I mean, talking at an audiologist point of view, you need to know everything. It's not just company specific. Company will teach you only company. I've been there. So